Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a school belt effectively. A school belt is a valuable tool designed to support good posture and provide comfort throughout the school day. It helps maintain proper spinal alignment, which is crucial for long periods of sitting and carrying backpacks. We'll cover the different types available and how each can benefit you, ensuring you get the most out of this essential accessory for your well-being and academic focus. Achieving the right fit is paramount for your school belt's effectiveness. First, measure your waist to select the correct size, typically allowing for about 2 to 3 inches of overlap. When putting it on, ensure it sits snugly around your natural waist, not too high or too low. You should be able to comfortably slide 2 fingers between the belt and your body. Avoid over-tightening, as this can restrict movement and cause discomfort, defeating its purpose. The way you wear your school belt can adapt to different activities. For classroom learning or desk work, ensure it provides gentle, consistent support to maintain good posture. During physical education or active breaks, you might consider loosening it slightly or even removing it if it restricts movement. Always prioritize comfort and safety. Remember, the belt is there to assist, not hinder, your natural movements throughout your busy school day. Proper care ensures your school belt remains effective and lasts for many years. Regularly wipe down fabric belts with a damp cloth and mild soap to keep them clean. For leather belts, use a specialized cleaner and conditioner to prevent cracking. Store your belt flat or rolled, away from direct sunlight or extreme temperatures, to maintain its shape. Periodically check for any signs of wear and tear, such as frayed edges or stretched material, to ensure continued safety and support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.